B.K. Stancil here with the Chanticleer. We're looking at the renovations they did to the main hall. Let's go inside and take a look.
Alright, I'm Joshua Davis, elementary education major, and I am a third-year RA. Let me take you on a tour of Main. Alright, so this is the hallways. As you can see, there's new carpet. We have water fountains. We also have a brand new lounge that students can utilize at any point in time. So these are some of the changes. After recent renovations, this is what your average room would look like. We have personal dimmers. We have personal ACs in the room. So this is the new rooms.
A new lounge and kitchen area has also been created for students. In addition to Main, Fugate Hall has also undergone remodeling. The entrance and lounge area of Fugate has undergone some extensive remodeling, receiving brand new furniture and some fresh paint. This has been B.K. Stancil with the Chanticleer News. Thank you for watching.